Hello, we here at Mountaintop Loan Services came across an amazing program it's pretty new here. It's called LifeLock. And basically all of our employees here have signed up for this program. And I also advise you to do so as well. It truly does protect your credit and provide you that security that we're all looking for. And here's just a very short infomercial, basically just informing you as far as what the service does and how it could assist you. So let's get right to it. LifeLock Review. It's putting your life information on lockdown. Identity theft is a serious crime that is getting worse every day. If you are a victim, you could spend months, even years, trying to fix your damaged credit. Ruined credit can hurt your chances of getting a job, applying for loans, insurance, etc. People have been arrested for crimes that they didn't commit because someone else had used their identity for criminal activity. Unfortunately, some of these tactics these thugs use to steal personal information is beyond your control to prevent. Although it's rare, store clerks have been known to use their position to collect and pass along information to identity thieves. There are things you can do, however, that will make it much more difficult for a thief to steal and use your personal information. Some of these tips here for your security: certainly destroy your documents that contain your sensitive personal information. Go to your local office supply store, and if you don't already have one, buy a shredder and use it to destroy all of your paperwork that contains your personal information. Of course, such as your credit card numbers, your social security numbers, phone numbers, and dates of birth that you would otherwise just toss out. Dumpster diving is a quick and dirty way that identity thieves use to find valuable personal information that can help them get credit in your name. Make sure the banks and financial institutions practice this as well. Think of how much personal information that they throw away each day. And it's the law. There is a new tool that takes identity theft prevention to an extreme called LifeLock. It's like giving your credit its own special operations force dedicated to protect and serve your credit. LifeLock will do the following for you: completely block your credit so only you can use it. Back you up with a $1 million guarantee. If your identity is ever stolen, they'll fix the problem, no matter what it takes, and reimburse you up to $1 million in financial losses. They will stop pre-approved credit offers that swamp you, drastically reducing the amount of junk mail to your home. They do provide a free annual credit report of the 3 credit bureaus. They are the only company that prevents your children's identities from being stolen. I'm sure that we all want that. I've heard some very drastic cases of kids' identities being stolen and run up, and they're only 6 years old. I mean, it's amazing. Most importantly, though, they put alerts on your credit reports with all the major credit bureaus. These alerts ensure that if anyone tries to do anything with your credit report, like get a new credit report, change your address, maybe expand your credit lines or open new checking accounts, possibly getting insurance or utilities or whatever, you will be called directly for an approval before anything happens. If you are currently a victim of identity theft, make sure that you take these crucial steps immediately. Contact your credit card companies, close your accounts, and ask to have new cards issued to you immediately. Place a fraud alert on your file with the 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. File a police report. You may need it to show to the creditors as proof of the crime. File a complaint with the FTC, Federal Trade Commission, which maintains a database of identity theft cases used by law enforcement agencies for their investigations. Again, you definitely want to prevent this from happening altogether. The passing of the FACT Act a few years ago has allowed companies like LifeLock here to provide innovative tools and technology to keep your personal information safe. It's truly like having insurance for your credit. For more information, please visit us here at www.mountaintopmtg.net. That's the main site, of course. You can go into the blog section, which we did put a link right here for your convenience. Please apply online today. And thank you so much for listening. And I do hope that we can assist you in protecting your credit and your assets from here on out.